Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in the channel. So we are at the off-grid property and it's been raining non-stop, so we have a mess. So we are not going to be driving in. We're parking on the side of the road and we're gonna walk in because there's no point getting stuck and take an hour to get ourselves out. So we're going to be walking in that mess right there. All right, let's see if we can get some stuff done today. All right, well, I'm gonna follow you. Yep. Where you step is where I'll step, because I feel that, and this red clay, I always talk about this red clay. It's awful. All right. Yeah, you made some big ruts, that's for sure. That was the excavator?
Yeah, I tried to drive it down and use it, but it just sunk.
It just sunk, yeah, I see that.
With the crawler, I came back and I tried leveling it with the crawler, but
that didn't work either?
That didn't work either.
No, I see right over here. That's quite deep.
Yeah, we need gravel.
Yeah, we do need gravel.
Yeah.
We're just gonna have to suck it up and just do it. Yeah, because that's quite the mess. Even last spring we didn't have this problem.
No.
Like, oh wow. Look how deep that is. Oh well. Add it to the list of things we got to do out here.
Well, ideally, if we start digging some holes and try to find some gravel.
Well, yeah, well, with the excavator here, we're just going to have to take the time and do that, dig holes and see if we can find our own gravel.
I want to dig all that up there where that pond's going to go.
Right.
And just start digging there.
And see what's there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dig it there and pile it up here. And eventually this will get filled in.
Yes, so that there's not such a big dip when we're driving down. Level it all out.
Yeah.
All right. I don't want to fall. Oh, I don't want to fall.
Are you filming though?
I am filming. Good, because in case I do fall.
That'll make a perfect story.
Yeah. Keep the camera rolling just in case you fall. Oh. All right. Well, you can see where you've been putting sand. It's not as bad here at all. But I guess the little dump trailer, it helps, but it's...
But the driveway needs so much.
Yeah, no. Yeah, we'll have to... Yeah, see? Filming in case you fall. Never mind me. All right. Plan what we're going to do. Oh, man, this clay is slippery. Then it gets stuck to your boots and it doesn't come off. All right. And you can see where it makes a difference where the sand is that we've been hauling to than nothing. But I see he's been digging back here because the goal is to clean this up back here so that we can build a shed. And I see he's got the crawler up there because that's where the sauna's gonna go. But you gotta clean that up first. I made quite the mess, but well, I guess you gotta make a mess first. Right? Gotta make a mess first before you get things done. So I think today, Derek said that he wants me to jump on the excavator and then clean up all the brushes and get some of the stumps out so that we can, here I'll show you. Sometimes it's just best to show instead of just talking about it. So, excavator's there. This is where we have our little fire pit. But all this over here, that's all got to get cleaned out. And then so that we can get up there and cut down a few more trees. because the house is going to go in there somewhere because it seems to be nice and level, but we got to cut before we get to it. It is what it is. We don't really want to cut down more trees, but we have no choice, right? That's where the house is going to be. And then on the other side, we're going to have to cut more trees down. I know it's upsetting, but I need hay fields. I need to bring my horses here when we move out here. So, yeah. That's the job for today, is hopefully I can clean this up. Fingers crossed. Definitely need more sand. This is nice. Much nicer than that clay. Ugh. scrape? I hit bedrock.
It could just be a big rock.
Could just be a big rock?
Yeah,
Okay.
You see the clay kind of stopped right there?
Did it? Okay. I'll try one more scoop.
Yeah, maybe go to one side.
So I'm trying to go deeper so I can find, but it's not looking good. All right, I'll try move over a bit. He's checking it. Is it a thumbs up? Is it a thumbs up? I can't tell. I can't tell. What is?
Kind of gravelly, big rock.
Okay, so it's not a bedrock. It's just big
I think
boulders.
it's like a hard pan. There's like some shale in there, which is good.
Okay, so I'll do one more scoop and.
Yeah. Take another scoop.
Yeah, because I can't see where I'm digging from in here. I'm past that point.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, it looks like we might have a little bit of gravel. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Because that would be exciting. We wouldn't have to haul it. So I'm going to see if I can walk over there without falling, just to show you what I'm hitting. It made the excavator lift, which was pretty intimidating, but all right, let's go see here. Yes, you can see how there's a little bit of dirt or gravel in there, but I'm hitting huge rocks. So we don't know if it's just a big boulder, if it's bedrock, but it's not just clay down there. I guess it depends how deep we're willing to dig. But yeah, it's and the whole goal is to get some dirt, not the red clay. It is a mess. It's a mess. All right, so we're gonna finish that up a little bit. Derek wants to see if he can go a little bit deeper because he's more adventurous. Adventurous as in braver. I better move out of the way. My goal was to dig deep, not too wide, because I wanted to see what was out there more than the bigger hole. I wanted to go as deep as I could. But like I said, Derek's a little braver than I am. That's okay. He's more experienced. That's how we make a good team, right? So yeah, so he's going to make the hole bigger. See if we can hit some more dirt, some actual gravel. If not, Well, the hole will be big enough. We're gonna push some debris in there because it's trees and trunks, so it's biodegradable. It's just gonna give back to nature. So that is the plan for now. Come on, give us some. No, that's still clay. Accomplished what we were hoping to get accomplished today. We wanted to see if we could find some dirt, gravel, rocks, ish. So no matter what, we have to clean this area up, but we thought we'd just focus on, see if we can find some gravel. But the good thing is it's 126 acres, so I'm sure at some point we'll just keep digging a hole and we'll find it. But for now, like I said, we want to clean that area up. We'll be able to push some in there, and then the crawler will be able to push some over, and then we'll just keep digging, and right. But right now he's just walking the machine up the hill because we don't like to leave it on the main road, just in case if there's a breakdown we need to get through, or just in case we need to boost or right. What's he doing? Anyway, on that note. It was a successful trip out here. We got some stuff done. I get to get more experience on the excavator. It was good. So he's going to shut her down, and I think we're going to go see if there's any good footage on the trail cams. And if there's anything good, I will put it at the end of this video. And as always, everyone, thanks for tuning in the channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. And please leave me a comment, hit that like button, because it helps my channel grow. It really does. And I appreciate every single one of you. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.